As I put my mouse over the search bar and type in on Roblox, weirdest game, and hit enter. Have you ever wondered what the world of weirdest game on Roblox is? Well, you're about to experience it right now. Okay guys, as you heard in the beginning, we are playing the world's weirdest Roblox game. I see a few weird games and we're going to be trying some out, but this is the first one that caught my eye. World of weirdest game. Let's go ahead and read the description, shall we? The title's already weird. They spell ever wrong. Ever. Well, not ever. That's how they spelled ever. Okay. This was made on October 19th, 2017. 35 visits, 0 playing right now. Well, there's going to be 1 playing right now. Max is 25. Genres FPS. I have one thing, but I'll do that after. After we hop on to this world's weirdest Roblox game. Oh, why did I just see a notes? If I turn my mouse, what is that? Oh. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Now, if you were wondering what I said, what is that? Literally, what is that? What is that yellow thing sticking out of the roof? But I have a tool. What kind of tool is this? Fuck me. Oh, that's... I have... What? Here. He just pushed me. He has the power to push me. Okay, looks like... Wait, this was only look at this one. Oh my god. Oh wow. Friend, I knew you for a while, but now you have to say goodbye. Oh my gosh, Will. Come here. Right, left. Oh, where did he go? Oh, come here. Ugh. I'm like the mousetrap and they're like the rat. They're running away from the mousetrap. Come here. I have one confession to make. What will happen if I found it in water? Oh wow. Wow, that's just great, isn't it? That's totally great. As I hold this one and only special knife in my hand, I shall kill the one and only. As I hold this knife in my very special hand, I shall kill the one and only John. All of these are NPCs, if I know what that is. Okay, let's go ahead and look at this right here. Mirkwood. Fan. No, I'm going to Fangorn Forest. Seems more safe. This is a Roblox story. One day a kid was walking down the path over the nice little river. But then he saw a bunch of police piled up. When John no! He's like, I need to kill John no. But he pulled his knife out. Stop touching the police. Oh my gosh. And then he decides to run away. I hope you enjoyed that Roblox story. Okay. Yep. That was oh my gosh. Start shooting. You see that? Wait, what? Okay, I'm just gonna go over here. Okay, so do you know how those people are named NPC? Right? Come on. Those little people with a blue pants that look like John Doe. Another NPC. What if I search up NPC in games? Oh my gosh. Okay, what if I search up NPC? I search up. This is literally making my server lag. Okay, NPC. NPC and players. And I just died on that game because I heard it. I swear, this comes up as a stay looking player on that game. No way, dude. Look it. Okay, I'm just not even gonna pretend I saw that. Okay. Let's just get back to killing it. Because it looked very evil. Oh my gosh. Okay, now I'm gonna kill the John Doe. Look at him, he's floating. Known as an hacker, but he's actually not. At least I don't think. Oh my, look at all of the police. You can't kill John Doe. You cannot. I am so sorry, officer. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is very laggy, so I'm just gonna get up. Oh my god. Oh, that is scary to kick me. Yeah, that's just great. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you get notified when I upload like this. Make sure to hit the like button, comment down below so I can give you a shout out. Oh, and we have to do shout out of the day. Shout out of the day. Notifications. Okay. Shout out to CrazyHead229. Commented and subscribe. Yep. And I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.